In a groundbreaking move, the Renzo Piano Building Workshop, RPBW, alongside Betaplan Architects and renowned landscape architect Camille Muller, has unveiled the initial designs for the KYKLOS Cultural Center, poised to become a beacon of contemporary art and culture in Piraeus, Greece. Commissioned by the Dinos and Leah Martinos Foundation, DLMF, this ambitious project aims to establish an international arts hub, fostering connections with similar institutions worldwide while enriching the local community, students, and tourists alike. The KYKLOS Cultural Center, scheduled for completion in late 2028, is anticipated to significantly contribute to the vibrant cultural tapestry of the Athens metropolitan area. KYKLOS, envisioned as a dynamic space for exploring global contemporary art through immersive physical and digital experiences, is strategically situated near the Neo-Faliro electric train station. This strategic location ensures ease of access for both locals and visitors. The design, a harmonious blend of architecture and landscape, encourages visitors to pause, engage, and forge connections. As a civic and cultural meeting point, the complex seamlessly integrates indoor galleries with open-air spaces, offering a versatile venue for art, education, and public life. The design philosophy championed by RPBW prioritizes spatial clarity, environmental sustainability, and civic engagement, making KYKLOS a cultural icon for Piraeus. The building itself is a sanctuary for art, nestled within a lush Mediterranean garden. The fully glazed exhibition galleries face the bustling City Avenue to the west and a tranquil garden to the east, creating a visual dialogue between the urban and natural landscapes. Architectural elements and vegetation filter natural light, framing panoramic views and maintaining a seamless connection with the surroundings. Approximately 62% of the site is dedicated to public green spaces, designed collaboratively with Camille Muller, facilitating a smooth transition between the building and the city while enhancing the urban ecosystem. The interior boasts a flexible layout, accommodating a range of exhibitions, events, and educational activities. Transparency, both visually and functionally, shapes the circulation and visitor experience. KYKLOS is set to host a diverse array of cultural and educational programs, including lectures, screenings, and digital initiatives, expanding its reach beyond the physical boundaries of the center. Meanwhile, in other architectural news, Tadao Ando's National Museum of Uzbekistan has commenced construction in Tashkent, marking his first significant project in Central Asia. AFACT Architecture Factory, based in Milan and London, has been selected as the winner of the international competition for Podgorica's Museum and Cultural Park in Montenegro. A consortium featuring AFL Architects, Mott MacDonald, Fabric, and Ridge & Partners has received planning approval for an innovative all-electric football stadium in Oxford. In London, SP Park Studio has revealed the design for the residential conversion of the former Ravenscourt Park Hospital, while Carlo Ratti Associati has presented a visionary cultural center and open-air stage in Addis Ababa, Ethiopia. Stay tuned for more updates on these exciting projects and how they are reshaping the global architectural landscape.